Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultant Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting and balanced case study on fan. This is applicable for all types of industrial fans. Case study prepared by Vijaya Krishnan Venugapur, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. The fan we are going to see is connected with motor of capacity 1650 kilowatts through belt drive. The motor is VFD and its maximum operating speed 1455 rpm and maximum speed of fan is 990 rpm. The fan is mounted on steel frame on concrete floor at ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical, axial. In each locations, measurement locations are motor non-drive end bearing, motor drive end bearing, fan drive end bearing, fan non-drive end bearing. Vibration data are collected in terms of displacement in microns peak to peak and velocity in millimeters per second peak. Now onto the vibration limits. As per ISO standard and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 6.58 millimeters per second peak, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 6.58 to 15.8 millimeters per second peak, it is considered as fair. And when the velocity falls above 15.8 mm per second peak, it is considered to be rough. The vibration values are maximum at motor drive end horizontal, velocity up to 4.9 mm per second peak with displacement of 28 microns peak to peak. And at fan drive end horizontal, velocity up to 21.3 mm per second peak with displacement of 330 microns peak to peak. And the equipment falls under rough category. We saw vibration levels are above limits and equipment falls on the rough category. On going through the spectrum and frequencies at motor driven end, dominant peak frequencies are 4 times and 1 times the running RPM. And spectrums at fan driven side shows, the dominant peak frequencies are 4 times 1 times and 2 times of running RPM. This study was carried out to assess the health condition and carry out in situ dynamic balancing if required, as high vibration levels were informed by plant officials. It is understood that the fan D bearing was replaced recently. The frequency of vibration indicated harmonics of operating speed 1x, 2x, 4x of RPM in both radial and in axial direction with dominance of 1x and 4x of RPM. The analysis revealed unbalance in fan impeller. On inspection, it was noticed that 4 nodes of supporting stiffeners have shared as shown in below image, causing imbalance in impeller. In a period of time, it is found that vibration levels indicating increasing pattern with fluctuations/amplifications in the both blower and motor bearing locations. Missing supporting stiffener were provided, and the images are shown below. After the rectification work, vibration data are collected. The vibration values are maximum at motor drive end axle, velocity up to 1.0 mm per second peak with displacement of 10 microns peak to peak. And at fan drive end horizontal, velocity up to 4.0 mm per second peak with displacement of 42 microns peak to peak. And the equipment improved to good category. The comparison spectrums of fan motor. The spectrums shows the first peak frequency velocity value is reduced from 4.6 mm per second peak to 0.44 mm per second peak. The comparison spectrums of fan. The spectrums shows the first peak frequency velocity value is reduced from 14.24 mm per second peak to 2.33 mm per second peak. After the rectification, the vibration levels were reduced from 330 microns and 21.3 mm per second to 42 microns and 2.0 to 4.0 mm per second. The health condition of the fan is improved from rough to good category. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.